Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be not really a vlog necessary. I guess who's gotta get a bath? You gotta get a bath. Ha 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 ha. Bath, bath, bath. Bath, bath, bath. So yeah, the doggy gotta get a bath. Shut the door. He locked in now. Let's get back time started. Dun 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 dun. This first thing first, down. Second step, that. And we good. Third step is pop up camera. I didn't really plan for this video. Come on. I guess I'll catch you guys back once I find. Why am I holding it like that? I guess I'll catch you guys back once I find a spot to, I guess, prop up the camera. Guys, I'm back and I think this is a good spot, so I'm going to give the dog a bath. Time lapse starting now. And he's now shaking. Look at this dirty water. Ew. 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 Ew, dirty water. Ew, that is stinky water. I'm trying to put my thing to prop up the camera back. Hands are all wet. Gotta dry them off. I don't know if you could see me or the dog in that time lapse, but hopefully you could. And it is time to get this clean puppy dried off. Here he is. Oh my gosh, I almost slipped. Get all this stuff out of the way. Oh, like the towel. Oh yes, oh yes, yeah. So I'm drying this nice little puppy off. As you know what? I'll get him dried off because I want to show you something funny that he does. So yeah, I'll catch you guys back once this crazy puppy is dried off. Okay, he is dried off now. Come here, Bentley. Huh? And he's off to the races. Oh no, I can't run because I'm gonna fall. Oh yes, 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 yes. Like this is what I mean. Bentley, come here. We should the legs up. Oh, we're crazy. 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 Oh, yes, we're crazy. Oh, man. Oh, man, we're so crazy. Oh, man. Oh, the craziness stopped. Oh, well then. Oh, well, bless you. Well then. Oh, jeez. I guess that's it for today's video. Hang on, That's it for today's video. Like if you enjoyed. And subscribe if you are new. And yeah, love, peace, bye.